bloody markets. Oh, hello. My name is Charlie Uxbridge Norrison the Third. And I'm here to discuss the financial market with you. In particular, the currencies market and the commodities market. You should already know what they are, because if you don't, well, I hate to break it to you, you're an idiot. So, very briefly, currencies are what you've got a base country and you've got an opposing currency, and basically there's price. There's moves, and you can find price inefficiencies, and you can capitalize on this. Commodities, it's very similar. For example, like silver, gold. They will be the two I will be discussing later. You do need to understand the actual fluctuations of price. So, shall we go to the screens?
Well, it's Charlie Uxbridge Norrison the Third. Some technical difficulties. I've got some screenshots here. I've got 3, well actually 4, learn how to count, you bloody idiot. I've got the pound against the dollar. I've got the euro against the Japanese yen. I've got gold against the daily. Well, gold against the US dollar, not us. Daily's the chart. Bloody hell, don't listen to me. Well, actually listen to me, but you know what I mean. Silver against US dollar. And yes, let me just briefly summarise what's been going on. Today this is recording, it's actually Wednesday. I had made technical issues, which is very unfortunate. But I actually made a very good trade this morning. It was fantastic. I got this bar here, placed a little trade, got the volatility, got out straight there. Oh, it was fantastic. It was actually beautiful. So, yes, as we see here, it's been completely just plummeted back up. I went up, broke above 1.3, which is obviously a very major price area. Quite a lot of movement. I can go in a bit more in depth, but now it's broken about that 1.3. We see some resistance forming here. A natural support area. So if it doesn't break along here, it's most likely going to go. So yes, take that into mind. Right now we're going to go to the gold on the daily. And yes, it's been quite an interesting couple of days. Price broke below 1900, so 1900. And went down a bit, but then broke back up, and now it's holding back above it, which is a very important price area, so that's very good, very good. On to the euro against the Japanese yen. This one, on the other hand, is a bit interesting. So I drew a trend line on the daily, currently on the hour time frame, and it broke through my set trend line. So what this suggests to me, the price will now continue to drop. So it would not surprise me if we see that go down to 1.21, well, 121. So basically, for €1, you get 121 Japanese yen. And now over to silver. So, okay, again, a bit mental. Movement's always been a bit mad. Went up here, was above against 25 for a little while. Didn't break above 25.3. And then plummeted, which is quite usual. In silver and commodities, it's very volatile. So you've got to be aware, you have to have a long stop loss. And be completely aware of this volatility. And luckily, I have my stop losses, as you can see here. And my take profit. And I'll let people know what happens to this in the following episode. Oh yeah, I need to explain stuff, don't I? Oh god. This would be basically my buy area, hoping for the price to go up. This would be my sell area, hoping for the price to go down. Here, I was actually waiting for the price to get down here to enter. But me being an idiot, I just got in anyway. And here, now I've got price confirmation, so I know price is going to fall. And here, trend confirmation, sorry. And down here, we see we could have gotten in here, but I was being imbecile. And got out there and reversed my position, because I thought it was going to be on that trend line. Unfortunately, I was wrong, but I was right. Here, you see, because I knew about this. I went straight up and should have got out here. Prices have been a bit mad, I have to say. A lot of movement. It's not been a quiet week, it's been a mental week. And, well, there's 2 days left. Previous week was mental, and this week is even mentaler. So, yes, it's brilliant, it's fantastic. It's beautiful, if anything. And yes, I hope you enjoyed it. Well, that draws us to a close, unfortunately. Until Monday, when the market's open. Technically, it's Sunday night, about 10 o'clock.
But Monday to Friday this week, it's going to be interesting. Very intriguing. We see gold completely smash through its resistance, but will it continue? Will pound completely plummet? We'll be answering these questions next week. Well, I will be. So, yes. Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Hello there. Charlie Uxbridge Norrison the Third here. And you made it to the trading tips section of the show. Congratulations! Give you a little clap, but I really can't be bothered because you're not worthwhile. I'm sorry, I'm just trying to point out the absurdity of everything and that our lives do not matter. Take risks! Why not? Might be a millionaire. Most likely not, because the markets are meant to prey on people who overtrade, for example. And that leads me to my tip. Don't overtrade. But Charlie, I love trading so much. I need to be trading. Yes, but you see, the problem is, after you get a certain amount of return, hedge funds realize this. You do realize they have order flows. They see our account. So what they do is like, well, these guys have had quite an up day. We're going to really F them over. It happened to me, personally, last week. I was up 300% on account and lost it all in a single trade. I trade emotionally and got greedy. So don't be greedy and know when to get out. And yes, congratulations. On to more markets.